Alright, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Who by Jimin. Super dance, super song. Of course, we're going to cover it. I'm going to walk through it step by step for you guys. It's going to be super easy. I'm going to break everything down and explain it for you. Let's go. Alright, so the first minute section, I'm going to show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. Alright, it's going to go like this. Boom, ta, and ta, ta, ta. Now let me explain. So the first bit, you want to take a step with your left leg like this, and if you want to, you can on your heel turn your toes slightly to the side. All right, so basically what I do is go boom, boom. All right, at the same time when I do this, I want to bring my back leg here, my right leg behind. Okay, so I'm going step left, step right. Okay, step left, step right. Small steps. Okay, you don't need to exaggerate. Okay, just keep it here, here. Okay, now at the same time, your arms is gonna do whoom, a. All right, so the left hand is gonna go whoom. Get ready to say snap. All right, you actually don't have to do that. Okay, just whoom. All right, so I'm going sweep, sweep. All right, notice how I'm doing 2 rounds here. 1, 2. 1.5-ish. I'm starting it and then I finish it here. Okay, so step start, step finish. Okay, try that a few times. Let me show you from a different angle. Let's pretend you're viewing from the side. I'm going boom, boom. Okay, let me show you again. Just watch. Boom, boom. Okay, make sure you've practiced that a few times because the next part is going to be a bit trickier. So right after this, what you want to do is bring your right here. And basically where we want to end is like this, okay? We want to make it a small jump. So from here, I'm sort of prepping. So when I say prep, I mean bend my leg here because you do that whenever you jump, okay? That's basically what I'm doing, all right? Bringing my right leg from the back to the front. Okay, notice how my toes are pointing. Right toes are pointing this way, left toes are pointing that way. Okay, because then we can do the where we flick our heels outwards and then back. Okay, you don't need to exaggerate. Like I'm just showing you. You can just do all right. Just keep it small. Okay, let me just show you again from the top. From the top, I'm going boom, hey, and jump, tap, tap. Okay, let me show you from a different angle. I'm going, this is my front. I'm going boom, tap, and tap, tap, tap. Okay, I haven't shown you this hand yet. It's pretty simple. This hand is basically just going and wah. Okay, just up here. So they're opposite directions. Okay, and then you do the last thing here. So let me just show you one more time, the whole thing with the right hand as well. Boom, ha, and ha, tap, tap. Okay, let me show you again from the side here. I'm going boom, tap, and tap, tap, tap. Now, as for the timing, let's stick to counts. I think that's going to be easier. It goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right, so let me just show you. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right, time to practice a few times. I'm going to start slow. All right, I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start on 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let me show one more time, a bit faster, and always feel free to pause the video and practice at your own pace if you need to. Okay? One last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, mini session 2, quick preview. We just did, this was 1, 2 goes. Boom, ha, boom, ta. All right, let me break that down. So what you want to do from end of midsection 1 is you want to jump down and both legs out like that. Okay, so you're starting from down here because you want to roll your way up. All right, so it's a body roll, but just if you're not that good at body rolls, just think that you need to start from down here. You start leaning back here, and then you just push your way up and make sure your upper body comes up at last. Okay, so let me just show you again. From here, you want to jump out, down, boom, lean back, and then roll up. Okay, from here, what you want to do is you want to say bring the left back out. Okay, boom, tap. That's basically what I'm doing with my leg. Left, tap. Okay, and we want to pull back by wiping here our forehead. So we're going boom, and then we clap at the end. Okay, so it's wipe, sweat, clap. Wipe, sweat, clap. Okay. Let me just recap. So what I did, this was and then 1, 2 goes. Sorry, it was like this. 2 goes. Boom, up, sweat, clap. And let me show you from a different angle as well. This is my front now. This was end of 1. I'm going boom, ha, boom, ha. Actually, I think it's better if I show it from this side. So this is my front now. All right, I'm going. This is end of 1, 2 goes boom, ha, boom, ha. Now the timing is very simple. It's just so this was 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try and practice. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna start on 5, 6. Okay? So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We try that a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then one last time, a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys. Now let's try and practice midsection 1 and 2. Let me just show you a quick preview recap of midsection 1 and 2. All right, so it goes like this: step, step, prep, jump, zig, zig, jump, roll up, sweat, and clap. And then with the timing, it goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's practice. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. All right, thank you guys so much, and until next time.